Alright guys, today we are going to unbox our exhaust real quick. So it's the HKS Silent High Power for a JZX100. As you can see here, I already have my exhaust off. This is just going to be the unboxing video. You can watch the other video for the actual install itself. So here's the box opened up. You have a lot of packing foam. So we're just gonna lay it out on the lawn one for one so we know what's in here. So we have this piece, which looks like the front half. So I'm gonna put this up like this. That looks about right. So that'll be our section 1. In the middle here, looks like we have our section 2. So put it down, looks something like that. That looks a bit short, a little bit concerning, but no worries. And then you have our final section, the muffler section, which we're going to put right here. Okay, so the muffler is a bit longer. Section 2 is a bit shorter compared to said original exhaust, but you can see that here we have a muffler section, so that'll make it a little quieter. And on the original exhaust that we got with the car, no muffler at all, which is probably why it was droning and so loud. But if I recall correctly, this exhaust is like a little bit over 3 inches. This looks like it's about a 3.5 inch pipe in comparison. So yeah, super excited to install this exhaust on the car. There are, in the box, taped to the side, a bunch of gaskets and some paperwork and stickers. We love stickers. But yeah, comes with new hardware, new gaskets. So we'll pair that out as is, and let's get installing. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe, guys.